Before we begin, please review the following safety precautions. During operation, if severe abnormal noise, collision, or any risk of loss of control occurs, immediately press the emergency stop button on the software interface or on the machine. When adjusting screws or manually moving the axis, always proceed slowly and steadily. Do not apply excessive force, as this may cause thread stripping or damage to precision components. If any abnormal behavior occurs, or if a fault cannot be properly identified, stop operation immediately and contact the manufacturer for technical support. This phase adjusts the internal tube pressure, initial flow rate, and software flow rate according to different silicone models and batches. Please note, this phase assumes that phases 1 through 4 have been fully completed. If mechanical calibration is incomplete, the results of this phase may be subject to significant error. First, perform initial flow rate setup. Increase the internal tube pressure via the extrude axis. This establishes a stable pressure and ensures that the silicone flow matches the software settings. Next, perform nozzle inspection. The extruded silicone strand should hang down naturally and straight. If the strand twists or coils, this indicates that the nozzle may be clogged or deformed. Replace the nozzle immediately. After nozzle inspection, perform the 5-loop extrusion test. Place a sheet of paper approximately 1 centimeter below the nozzle. Activate the extrusion function and allow the silicone strand to coil onto the paper. Use a stopwatch to record the time required for the strand to complete 5 full loops. After testing, adjust according to the standard time for each material model listed in the Material Parameter Reference Table. Use a tolerance of plus or minus 0.5 seconds. Finally, after testing, be sure to close the valve to lock in the internal tube pressure. This ensures stable silicone flow for subsequent printing.